Hello, this is Darwish from Professor Darwish channel. I'm the founder of this channel, Professor Darwish. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to remember trigonometric values using simple trick. This video may help you. So let's see this. To effectively remember the unit circle, focus on understanding key angles and their corresponding coordinates, then leverage patterns and mnemonic devices to solidify your knowledge. Start by memorizing the angles 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees and their radian equivalents in the first quadrant, along with their sine and cosine values. Then, use the all, subtract, add, prime, acronym, ASAP, to navigate the other quadrants, which helps determine the sign of coordinates. Finally, practice drawing the unit circle with angles and coordinates regularly. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Focus on the first quadrant. Key angles. Memorize the angles in the first quadrant: 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees, or 0, pi/6, pi/4, pi/3, and pi/2 radians. Coordinates. Learn the x, y coordinate pairs for each of these angles, which represent cosine and sine values, respectively. For example, at 30 degrees, pi/6, the coordinates are square root 3/2, 1/2. At 45 degrees, pi/4, they are square root 2/2, square root 2/2. And at 60 degrees, pi/3, they are 1/2, square root 3/2. At 0 degrees, 0, the coordinates are 1, 0, and at 90 degrees, pi/2, they are 0, 1. 2. Utilize the ASAP acronym. All. In the first quadrant, top right, all trigonometric functions, sine, cosine, tangent, etc., are positive. Subtract. To get the radian values in the second quadrant, subtract 1 from the denominator of the corresponding angle in the first quadrant and keep the same numerator, e.g., for 30 degrees, pi/6, in the first quadrant, the second quadrant angle would be pi/6 equals 5 pi/6. Add. To get the radian values in the third quadrant, add 1 to the denominator of the corresponding angle in the first quadrant and keep the same numerator, e.g., for 30 degrees, pi/6, the third quadrant angle would be pi plus pi/6 equals 7 pi/6. Prime. In the fourth quadrant, the numerators of the radian values are prime numbers. 3. Look for patterns and symmetry. Coordinate symmetry. Notice how the x and y values are related across the quadrants. They often swap or change signs. Denominator patterns. The denominators of the radians often follow patterns, such as all being over 6, 4, or 3, making it easier to remember the sequence. 4. Practice regularly. Draw it out. Regularly draw the unit circle and label the angles and coordinates from memory. Test yourself. Quiz yourself on various angles and their corresponding values. Visualize. Imagine the unit circle and its key points while working on related problems. By combining understanding the key concepts with mnemonic devices and consistent practice, you can effectively memorize the unit circle and utilize it confidently in your mathematical endeavors, according to CK 12 Foundation. No more talking, let's see what's this about.